Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence, where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expect a level for the next day. In my previous video, I did mention that the market will most likely trade in a stable to bullish kind of formation. However, there will be resistance at a high level, and the target, some target that we are expecting is 10,930. Now in this video we are going to analyze what are the upcoming resistance for the market, what the technical indicators are suggesting, and all about option activity range. So we'll start with Nifty. 10,700 to 11,100 is a broad option activity range. In spite of this good moves, we have not observing any sort of extension in the higher range. So that is suggesting that there will be a resistance at a higher level, and the market participants are not expecting any sort of expanded gains as far as the up move is concerned. If you observe the call data, you will see that 10,700 to 10,900 strike price is seen call short covering. This is the consecutive fourth session in our observing the call short getting covered, again suggesting a bullish move. 10,950 has seen a fresh bullish position, but 11,000 to 11,100 strike prices has seen call writing. So this is clearly suggesting that though the market participants are expecting an up move, 10,950 is seen as a target as of now, and 11,000 is definitely seen as a resistance, because in spite of this good up moves, market participants are continuously writing the calls on a high side. Now if you want to confirm, let us look at the put data. On the put side, you can see that the put writing is all over happening, all the strike across all the strike prices. But as soon as we come to a higher on a high side, we are definitely going to see that the put writing is sort of diminishing as we move uh, as we move on upsides. Now on a lower side, the maximum change in open interest is continuously happening at a level near the spot prices. So now 10,800 has seen a good sort of put writing. So definitely market has a support near the immediate lower levels, but the upside will also be kept. So that is for sure, and we definitely need to consider the level of 11,000 will most likely not come as of the immediate pullback is concerned. So what we are going to do is we are going to analyze the technical indicators and see that how much more upside we can expect from this particular market. So if you see the candlestick pattern, already we have seen a resistance. The market did try to go on a high side but was not able to sustain, and again closed on a lower side. Now we need to observe the formation of a next candle. If the next candle stays below the high of this particular candle, then definitely we can expect that the market could reverse from itself here. Apart from that, if the market is continues to go on a high side and closes above this particular level, 10,930 is a maximum target for this particular move up move is what I'm expecting from this particular level. If the market comes, definitely there will be a resistance becoming effective, not only in RSI, CCI, but MACD. All the three levels will face a resistance. So if I want to just show you, this particular level will be achieved if the market goes high. So there will be a good resistance. Here you are already observing that the market has already trading near the resistance level. However, there is a break, so market can go up, and RSI, since it is trading in the plus 100 zone, definitely the market will trade the stable to bullish kind of formation, but not that much, because this particular level can also break. RSI, though the markets are going high, RSI relatively is not going that much high, so that is again not coming up, coming into tally with the moves. However, there will be resistance. This particular resistance is very strong. From this particular market has gone down very drastically. So if the market goes here 10,930, definitely this particular resistance will also become effective, and that can also stall the market at a high level. So all these things you need to take care, and you need to watch out for if you are creating any position for the special the bullish position if you are making in the market. So that was the analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. First, option activity range 26,000 to 27,000 is the broad option activity range for the market. So let us see what happened today. Now clearly we are observing that there is a bullish crossover is already formed. So if the market comes down, 26,500 will act as a resistance. Most likely market will trade on a stable to bullish side. 26,569 or 26,570 is a good support for the Bank Nifty, and from this particular level till till time this particular level is being holded by the market, we are definitely going to see good highs in the market. But since this particular level 26765 has been able to hold the rally on the upside for the two times, this particular level will assume a good importance. Close above this particular level will definitely take bank nifty to 26900. So that is what clear move I can see as far as bank nifty is concerned. Now if you see the call and put data, you can definitely see that the call rating is now getting formed as far as the high position is concerned. So 26700 to 27000 we have seen call writing on the lower side. Call short is also getting covered and call long is also getting covered. So there is no as such clear indication, but bearish move on a high side is very evident. Again on a put side, you can see all the strike prices has seen put writing. Maximum change in open interest has happened near the level of 26,200. So definitely there will be a support near the lower level. Since there is a bullish crossover, there will be any dip in the market should be bought, and definitely you can expect a market to finally break the level of 26,770 if this particular level holds. But since there is a bullish crossover, market is most likely will trade on the high side, and the level that I have suggested should hold, and market should not trade on a downside. Now if you talk about the technical indicators, CCI and RSI is already trading above its exponential moving average, but the MACD is facing resistance near its exponential average. So this particular level should be watch out for. If it breaks on a high side, definitely it will be easy to see 26,900 if this particular level gets broken, especially the resistance line. Apart from that, there will be some up down moves, and then gradually this level should come. But I think that this particular level is will be achieved, but there will be no consistency. There is a bullish crossover, so market will trade on a stable to bullish kind of formation, but the clear cut move will not be there unless and until the level or the resistance, which is 26,700, is not 26,770 or 72, whatever the way you want to read it. Until this particular level is acting as a resistance, we are not going to see a significant up move. And since there is a bullish crossover, market will also not go down much. So a range bound market as far as the bank nifty is concerned, you can expect. Okay, so that was my analysis for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to learn the system that I have been using to understand or read the market, please make sure that you visit the video description where you will find the detailed playlist, and you can watch that if you want. In case if you want to join me on my WhatsApp and Telegram, you can also find the link in the video description. In case if you have any doubt, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.